Welcome to another episode of the Idiom Vault. Today's idiom in focus is, run around in circles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to continue to explore all of the hidden treasures in the Idiom Vault. Let's get started. The idiom, run around in circles, means to engage in a series of actions or discussions that lead to no progress, resolution, or productive outcome. It implies that someone is expending a lot of effort but not making any meaningful advancement towards their goal or resolving the issue at hand. It suggests a state of confusion, frustration, or inefficiency. The origin of this idiom can be traced back to the literal act of running around in circles. Imagine someone physically moving in circles without getting anywhere, and this concept was later metaphorically applied to situations where individuals or groups are similarly stuck in an unproductive loop. The point, the idiom, run around in circles, is typically used to describe situations or people who appear to be making a lot of effort but achieve little or no substantial result. Listen to how, run around in circles, is used in a few sentences. Then, practice reading the sentences back.
We've been trying to solve this problem for weeks, but we're just running around in circles. Now, read it back to me. Great job!
The project is behind schedule because the team has been running around in circles, unable to agree on the best approach. Can you try this one? Awesome!
Don't waste your time with that complicated procedure. You'll only end up running around in circles. Last one, read it back to me. Wow, you did a wonderful job.
Do you think you're understanding? Ready for a challenge? See if you understand how it is used in this text conversation. Why did Bob say he feels like he has been running around in circles all day? In all these examples, the idiom conveys the idea of a lack of progress, confusion, or inefficiency in the actions or discussions taking place. Have you ever felt like you have been running around in circles? Let us know in the comments. Want to learn about a specific idiom? Be sure to leave a comment below as well. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you all for our next trip into the vault.